the big question in local football is to fire or not to fire Reggae Boyz coach Steve McClaren. The consensus seems to be fire him and fire him now. Word from the JFF is that there will be a meeting with Coach McClaren and then a decision will be taken. One thing for sure is that Steve McClaren has not settled this Reggae Boyz team or gotten them to play any semblance of organized football. In fact, the team gets worse. And stakeholders are genuinely concerned that with such an easy path and a swoop final group to World Cup qualification, people are fearing that Steve McClaren will find a way to continue to worsen the team, and miraculously, the unthinkable will happen and we will not qualify for this World Cup. So the feeling is McClaren must go and must go now. The problem is though, firing McClaren would expose a bad decision and an embarrassing mistake by the JFF in hiring him in the first place. And that would egg on people's face.